Hello, in this video, you'll be learning how to create invite link on Telegram. Invite link on Telegram can be created using two strategies. These two strategies, we will be walking you through that very quickly. But just before we go straight into the video, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss any of our recent updates on this channel. And most importantly, if you find the video helpful, you want to give us a thumbs up and let me know what you have to say in the comment section. If you have a comment recommendation, a comment, an addition, just let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Now, let's hop straight into our Telegram app. Now, in the Telegram app, first strategy to use in creating a invite link is you creating a group. You can create a group, and from your group, you can generate the link and send to your invites. Or you already have a group and you want to generate a link. So let's get straight to it. The very first option, which is for you to create a group, you want to use the pen icon in the bottom right hand corner, and you can find the new group. It could be group, it could be channel, anyone, but let's just use group. All right, so you want to start with at least one person. Okay, and you have your group name, and you can just click on OK, and from this the group has been created. Now, to get the invitation link, to generate the invitation link, all you need to do is just click on the name of the group here, and you want to use the three dots. You want to click on, I haven't clicked on the group name, you can see here where it says add members. Now, instead of just automatically or manually, instead of just manually clicking on members you want to add into the group, you can just generate an invite link which says invite to group via link. All you need to do is just click on this, and from there you can see that the link for the group has been generated, and you can copy the link by clicking on this, and voila, the link is copied. Now we have that as that. And secondly, you already have a group and you want to generate link to send to interested members, or to post on social media handle, just to have more visitors visiting your, or more persons, users coming to your Telegram handle or Telegram page. So what you need to do is just go to your group. So I'm using this group, one of my groups here. This is more of a channel. You click on the name, and then you can see the link is already here. As you can see, we have the link here already. You can just copy the link, and if it's for a group as well, this is a channel, so let me use that of a group. Let's use the newly created group, and from here you can just click on the name, and you can find add members again, and you can just click on invite to group, and voila, the link is generated. So this is how you invite, this is how you create invite link on Telegram. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to give us a like, and also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification icon. Bye for now. See you in other videos.